Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy, and I am back. We have got another Dollar Tree haul, except for this time, it's all about fall. I am so excited. I went into my regular store that I always go into today, and they brought it out. They had like 4 or 5 aisles of nothing but fall stuff. There was so much stuff that like I was freaking out. I ended up spending about $70 on stuff, and I would say that probably 80% of that is all fall merchandise. So I'm going to show you kind of a collection of stuff. I mean, I'm going to show you some of the normal or some of the, kind of everyday stuff that I bought. And then I'm going to show you the fall stuff because it's pretty yummy. It's pretty great. All right, let's just jump real quickly into the other stuff and then we'll get into the fall stuff. So over the door coat rack, I have actually 2 of these because I'm working on a project for them right now, so more to come there. I love school supplies. Anytime there's school supplies out, it brings back great memories for school. And I've got a composition book. I like to keep these around in my space and jot down ideas and such, so I grabbed one. If you know anything about me, you know that I love Dollar Tree men's socks. And if I can get patterned socks, then, I mean, look at this one. Hello. Cardboard, my cardboard deer that I have here in the office. Like, come on, how perfect. Check out those little rain clouds. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. I even got a pair on now. So that one also came from Dollar Tree. Let's see what else. Styrofoam wreath form, because I'm working on a project that's going to involve that, and some of these trays, so more to come there. Speaking of trays, I also grabbed a plastic tray, idea for that coming. And how lucky was I, found one of these trays as well. These suckers are really hard to find, so that was not something. I got this for my sister, and she doesn't watch me on YouTube, so I know she won't see it. But it's this cute little sign, and it has a unicorn at the top, and it says, I am a, and then there's a mermaid down here. But when you switch it, you can say, I am a unicorn, or I am a mermaid. How cute is that? That's going to be something. My sister has a mermaid-themed bathroom, so thought that would be perfect for her. All right, I'm obsessed with the red truck. I love the red truck, especially as we get closer to fall. I found this truck toy, and I thought it could be fun to, well, first of all, you gotta build it. So, like, come on, that's gonna be great. It's got, like, tools in there and everything. But I thought it could actually be fun to maybe spray paint it and turn it into, like, a red truck, but let it be, like, a 4x4 one. So, we'll see. By the way, Otis is in the back there, scratching on a scratching post. So, if that's what you hear in the background, that's what it is. I have bought 3 of these. I am doing a DIY project with these, and hopefully it will be out within the next week or so. So more to come there. Some Post-it notes, because I love Post-it notes. Have you seen these? These are messenger bags. They're just like little totes, really. I thought it was super cute. It's got handles on it. They're tucked inside here. But, see, it's got really cute handles on it. But I thought it could be cute for like a little pillow or something. So more to come there as well. Then I bought one of these because I have a project idea for this one. So that's that. All right, talking really, really fast. And I'm trying to do that on purpose because you guys know I like to ramble. And let's jump into the fall stuff. I'm so excited about fall. I am hot. I'm sweaty. It is gross here in Georgia, and all I want is cold weather. I want to sit on the couch in front of my fireplace and be freezing still. So the first thing I bought, and this isn't really fall, but it's going to go for a fall decor idea that I have, these glass candle holders. I bought, I think 8 of them are in here, and they're all different sizes, and they're going to be a part of a fall centerpiece that I'm doing. And speaking of the centerpiece, I found these gorgeous velvet pumpkins. How cute are these? They had a lot of them, so I didn't feel super guilty about it. But Otis, sorry guys. They're I bought 8 of them because I bought all orange ones because, again, need these for that centerpiece I'm doing. I have a big, well, I'm going to do a video on it, so you guys will see it at some point. All right, more fall stuff. Y'all, the flowers are crazy, crazy good right now. Check out these. Check out these. Look how pretty, especially with my face in them, right? Look how pretty they are and gigantic they are. They're Gerbera. I'm assuming that means like a Gerber daisy. But look at all the colors. I grabbed all the colors that they had. So they had orange, they had yellow, they had blue, and I grabbed 2 of each of these. I honestly just thought they'd be fantastic in a big giant vase on the table. That's kind of what I was thinking. And I wasn't clearly thinking it through because the other thing is going to go on the centerpiece as well. But I may even just save these for spring for next year because the colors are just extraordinary. I absolutely fell in love with these. I think I gasped out loud when I saw these, and the lady that was in the aisle that was shopping also was like, I was like, sorry, hon. Dollar Tree's got it going on right now. All right, I'm gonna put these aside. More florals. Great, great selection of florals. So they have, first of all, they have these great dahlias. But check those out. If you look really carefully, see the burlap that's integrated into them? Like, how cool is that? I feel like I have a spider on my face. I think it's just this crazy hair. But again, look at how cool those flowers are. See that little touch of like a burlap or something in there? I thought that they were so perfect. And I actually only grabbed 1 bundle of these, and because I have an idea for a wreath. And I kind of wish I would have grabbed more because I'm really, really into that. And then they had some of these little flowers, which I thought were great. And for the wreath that I'm working on, they're going to be the perfect size. So they had them in yellow, they had them in orange, and these are these are 4 bunches of them. So, you know, $1 a piece. And now I'm tangled up in something. There we go. But again, look at the colors on that. And then they're gonna go so pretty with that. Then on top of that, they had these pumpkin stems, which I thought were super cute. They have the more kind of brownish pumpkin, and then they have the more vibrant kind of, you know, orangey pumpkin. Again, thought these were super, super cute. As usual, some of the things fall off. So make sure when you grab one of your stems that you get a stem that has a lot of the pumpkins on it still. Because we know how that can be sometimes. I think this was leftover from last year. I remember seeing this last year, but it's okay because I didn't grab any last year. But the Garland that they typically have, this is, it's cute because it just fell. It's got little acorns on it. It's got bright colored leaves on it. It's got these little berry kind of stem things on it. But then what I also liked is that they had kind of a more vibrant orangey version of it, again with the little acorn. And this is Garland that I'm going to be using in a project coming up for some fall ideas. And again, I bought 4 of those. And this one looked a little peaked to me. This one looked like he had lost a few leaves. But I went ahead and grabbed it still because I couldn't see where any leaves had fallen off. But he just looked a little puny compared to some of his friends. But it's okay. We're gonna show everybody some love. All right, I have more pumpkins. So you saw the velvet pumpkins, and I only grabbed 1 of each of these because these are gonna go on my coffee table. But look, ooh, glittery. It's like little like sequins. See that? I freaking love it. I love anything with sparkles. I know I'm a weirdo. And then that kind of more glittery pumpkin I thought was super cute. Oh no. Well, he'll just have to go on the backside. But I love this one. I thought they were brilliant. And they look so, so pretty. What else? They had some really cute ribbon. They had some fantastic fall ribbon, actually. Hello, buffalo check. like, gotta grab that. And then I thought this one was super cute. I may use it for my wreath idea that I've got. Again, super, super cute. Sorry for the glare. And then this one is just a solid kind of an orange one, but again, thought it was super, super cute. And then this ribbon I meant to show it earlier, because this really is kind of in the boho family, I think. But I found one version of this a couple hauls ago, and but then I found this version today. It's like burlap and twine, and then I found this version also today. So like, how cute is that? Again, think it's something that I can totally use for a project. I'm very, very excited about that one. Great wood plaque signs. These feel really good for some reason. They don't feel like those, well, they're wood. They're not the cheap cardboard ones, you know, which I still love, and I do use those as well. But I thought they were cute, and honestly, I think they're kind of cute just like that. I may even glue these together and figure out something like that with them. But again, super, super cute. And then I've got more. This was something I was kind of like, what? But I guess I understand it. I thought about 3 though. But it's a wreath form, but it's a football. It's shaped like a football, which I get, you know, football season and fall, and football season's gonna be very different this year. But I don't know, I was thinking that I could even save them for Easter and make an egg out of it. How about that? So we'll see. I do have a summer idea for this too. So we'll see. And what I love about this, actually, it's nice and sturdy. Do you remember how like some of the pumpkin forms or like some of the witch's hat wreath forms were, you know, kind of thinner wire? Like, I'm squeezing this one right now and it's not bending at all. This is a good sturdy wreath form. And I kind of wish I would have grabbed like 5 of those, but that would be mean. So I didn't do that. I have some great wood cutouts and stuff, but before I get that, I have to show you these metal corn stalks. How cute are these? They're metal. These are metal, and I'm probably just gonna stick them in a pot in the ground. And then they had some really cute sunflowers too. Like the 3 of those outside. Come on, how adorable is that? We don't get a lot of snow and stuff in Georgia, although 2020 has been, like, as we all know, pretty much a cluster. So watch we get like a blizzard this year. But knock on wood, I'll be burning some of my Dollar Tree supplies to stay warm. They had some really cool wood cutouts. Oh, how cute is that? I actually bought 2 of them because I thought my sister might like one, but if she doesn't, I'm actually going to saw off the pumpkins and then use this same form for other things, for like Christmas and for, I don't know, whatever other holiday I want. Maybe I won't put anything in it. Maybe I'll just have a truck just to have a truck. But again, thought it was super, super cute. And I bought one of these paint sets because I loved all of those colors in it. And I thought that that color combination could be really cool on this paintable form. How cute is this pumpkin? It's got like a little raffia bow on it. It's like 3-dimensional, or it's not 3-dimensional. It's, you know, it's got this stuff in it, so it makes it look like it's 3-dimensional. But again, super, super cute. I'd never seen these before, floating candles, and they're pretty big. They're about that big around. So I bought a 4-pack of those because of that idea I have. It's an idea. I got lucky. They had hand sanitizer. So I grabbed 2 of those. Sorry, hope you didn't see my bald spot. Wood pieces, again, these are a little chunkier than some of the ones I've seen. And again, this is gonna be like a staple, I feel like, for fall decorating and stuff. It's such a good thing to have in your toolbox. And then I've got 2 more things for you. How cute is this guy? How cute is he? Like, he dances around. He's wearing my favorite color. I'm calling it he because I want to. But I'm probably going to and turn them into a wreath. So more to come there. And then the last thing I found was this. How cute is this guy? It's like the dad version of the little guy. But again, he's got this welcome at the top here, which looks like it could come off. Ooh, it can. I'm actually getting ready to peel it off. And I thought when I first saw it actually that it would be cute made over into something. So like maybe after Thanksgiving is over, we could redo this, paint this, and maybe do Christmas on it. My guess is Dollar Tree will probably have a Christmas version of this too. But again, super, super cute stuff. Y'all, they had so much stuff at my store. It was crazy. And I know that unfortunately not every Dollar Tree is equal. I'm very fortunate. I live in a large city where we have very good Dollar Trees. And not all of them are great though. Like in the neighborhood I used to live in before I bought my house a couple years ago, they had a Dollar Tree there that was just not a great Dollar Tree. And it was in a really good area of town too, and it just wasn't a great Dollar Tree. I'm lucky because I have 3 that I can drive to within like a 5 to 15 minute radius from my house. But I highly, highly, highly encourage all of you guys to go to more than one Dollar Tree. If you've got a Dollar Tree that maybe is 30 minutes away or 20 minutes away, go for it. Why not? Make a road trip out of it. Go to some thrift stores and stuff. Definitely protect yourself, you know, keep your hands clean, wear your mask if it's mandated in your state, and hopefully we will all have a very, very good holiday season. All right, guys, that's my haul. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.